Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this sleek hair look. So let's get started. For the first step, I'm just going in with my pick comb and I'm going to be just splitting my hair in two pieces. And then I'm just going to be going in with this hairbrush. Any hairbrush will do, and I'm just basically brushing out all the knots in my hair just to make the straightening process a little bit easier. Going in with my Ouai Wave Spray and just spraying this all over my hair. This is going to add some texture and some shine to my hair. Just going to be splitting my hair in three parts here, leaving the bottom layer down, and we're going to start with this bottom layer. To straighten my hair today, I'm going to be using my Avanti hair straightener, and what I like to do to start off is to split my hair in small enough chunks, and I'm just going to be combing my hair while I straighten each chunk. A little trick that I use to make the hair look as sleek as possible is to hold the straightener down a little bit longer and not to rush through each strand. So basically you want to hold it as, not too long, but long enough so that the iron has enough time to steam through the hair and make it as straight as possible. After we're done with the first layer, we're going to split the hair in a second layer, and what I like to do is I like to leave enough hair so that you can work with, but not too much so that it's not too overwhelming for you. So we're just going to go in and repeat the same steps that we did for the first layer. Okay guys, so now we are going to be working through the third and final layer. Guys, so that was a lot of hair, but we made it, we're done, and we are moving on to the last step of the tutorial. I'm going to apply my Ouai Finishing cream throughout my whole hair. I love this cream so much, you guys. It's amazing. It's what's going to add that sleek factor and a lot of shine to your hair all night long. Alright, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is just my simple, fierce, and natural hair look that I love to rock on any night. So that's it for today, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!